Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my sausage gravy. So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 pound of ground pork. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. You're going to need half of a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sage, 1/2 teaspoon of fennel, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but if you don't want it so spicy, you can put less, and 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup. If you don't care for the sweetness, you can leave it out. Mix this really well until everything is combined. If you have the time, it would be best if you do this the day before, or at least a couple hours ahead of time, just so all the flavors could develop. But I mean, if you don't have time, it's not going to be a problem. You can still mix everything together and go ahead and make your sausage gravy. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like what you see, I would be glad if you would consider subscribing. And be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. I'm just going to cover this and set this aside until I'm ready for it. Okay, let's brown up the sausage. So I have a clean pan here over medium heat, and I'm not putting any oil in it because it doesn't need it. By the way, this recipe that I'm using here is my recipe for sausage patties. So if you want to see that video, I'm going to leave it linked below so you can check it out. Cook this for 8 to 10 minutes or until the sausage is brown. Break up the meat as much as you can, just so you don't have big pieces of meat in there. If you don't have the time to make your own sausage, you can always buy sausage, but I prefer to make my own just because I know what's in there. The ingredients are clean. It doesn't have a lot of things that you can't pronounce. You know, sometimes you buy things and oh my gosh, when you look on the back, you can hardly read anything back there. So I prefer to make my own and it tastes so much better. Now that my sausage is nice and brown, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. If the meat you're using is really fatty, then you'll want to add less butter. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to let this cook a couple minutes. So when you're making gravy, you want to add equal amounts of flour to butter or oil, whichever one you're using. So in this case, I'm using 4 tablespoons of butter. That's why I'm using 4 tablespoons of flour. And if you don't know, the flour is just to help thicken the gravy. I'm going to add 2.5 cups of milk, but you can add up to 3 cups of milk. It depends on how much gravy you want. You want to keep stirring this because it will thicken up really fast. Next, I'm just going to season it with salt and black pepper to taste. I'm turning off the stove now and allow the residual heat to thicken up the mixture. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff over there, so come follow and say hi. Now that it's thick, I'm going to remove it from the heat. The biscuits I'm using in this video is my biscuit recipe. I'm going to leave it linked below so you can check it out. And you gotta check it out because it's so easy to make and they're so good. This is how my hubby likes it. He likes the gravy to be on the thinner side. Oh my gosh, I just love sausage gravy and biscuit. If you do too, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below and let me know. I made the biscuits the day before, so when I was ready for it, I just popped them in a toaster. Don't put them in the microwave, that will make them chewy. Now this is the way I like it when the gravy is thick like this. I so wish you guys could taste this because it is so good. If you like sausage, you like biscuits, you're going to like this one. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. That will help to get my videos out there. And I hope you try this recipe. If you do, tag me on my social media so I can see. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.